Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Chris at Arbutus RV. I've got beside me a fresh offering from Winnebago. It just landed. I've actually got a pair of them here. But this one's going to be a Winnebago Thrive 22 MLS. This is going to be Winnebago's knock on the Grand Design 22 MLE. I think they've done a pretty good job. Let's check it out. So this is gonna be a little more in-depth walk around. So what we've got on the front of this guy is a power tongue jack right next to twin propane tanks. Got my little battery pack there, but you'll notice beside the battery pack is gonna be a power disconnect switch. For weight, you are dealing with a trailer that has a gross weight of 8,000 pounds. Unloaded, she clocks in at 6,280. So you're about just over 1,700 pounds of cargo carrying capacity without water. Full passenger, it is heated down low there. You can see the duct. There is a 30 amp solar controller on the far side there. It is also prepped for an inverter. Slam doors that are lockable. I like that. Tinted windows. They're not frameless. I think they could have gone for that, but didn't. You've also got slide topper prep up top. New to the game, GE Profile. That's going to be an on-demand hot water system. GE's definitely been pushing into the RV market recently, especially through Grand Design, I've noticed. So here we are. Your hookup station's actually on the back of this unit. What I love on the back of here is these really high impact LED tail lights. So this can be nice and bright. Ladder to get up to your barreled roof. So that tells me that roof is walkable. Outdoor shower. There's a hitch down low for those who like to carry a bike with you. Controls for the stabilizer jacks are on the back on this side. And then we saw the switch on the front in the cargo compartment. Alloy wheels with Maxxis tires. Your furnace sits campsite. I don't love that, but I do like the fact that you can fill this thing from multiple locations. Huge awning cuts across here with an LED light strip. The camera's kind of picking that up. Solid steps too. I like this version. I think this looks a little nicer than what we've had for a number of years. JBL speakers, fore and aft, which is always nice. Now, I'm gonna back this up for a second. No glass door. So that has been something on some of our product that people don't love. But no glass door on this one, which is kind of nice. It's also a tension door, which means that's not going to go swinging on you in the wind. Huge bed in the front of this guy. Lots of closet space all around. You have these little LED map lights. You've also got these charge ports on both sides of the bed. So we're dealing with an Olympic Queen here, by the way. I just noticed that sticker. Cheating on the fly. And I'm trying to check out these windows. These look to be single pane. So this will definitely have heated tanks and whatnot, but not dual pane windows. So you have a recliner here that's going to sit opposite your TV. Now, here's the big difference I've noticed right away. When I walked in, I looked at this table and I was like, holy, that is a big table. This is also a really nice sized dinette. So if you need a second bed, you could fit an adult here pretty comfortably. But to get this, they took away something, which is on the other floor plan from Grand Design, and that's that big pantry. So that's missing. However, the treatment in the rear kitchen, I really like. So you have these solid surface countertops. This is a nice touch too. So your utensils on a slider. Garbage can and recycling underneath. Good storage underneath the stove. There's an oven, 3-burner stovetop, convection microwave. These integrated sinks is kind of a neat idea too. Fairly heavy. It's fiberglass. It's not like stone. But then again, the conversation around, oh, that's a maintenance panel. But the conversation around just the quality is there. They've done a good job with it. Porcelain toilet in the bathroom. The fiberglass countertops carries on in the bathroom. Medicine cabinets up above. A man-sized shower back here. So a little more interior height as well too. I would probably change that plastic fixture, but now I'm nitpicking. But that's kind of it. This is just a nice step up from what we've seen years ago from Winnebago. They've been just constantly kind of updating, and I'm noticing a more stylish trend here, especially with the white on black. It's kind of a neat look overall. They had a bigger version of this in their Access a couple years ago. It was only a couple feet larger, but then this turned into a bedroom. That was a big difference with that guy. So that's going to do it for today. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions on the Thrive, certainly reach out. Phone number is going to be at the end. Take care.